Your home is a place of comfort, but even in the safest spaces, accidents can happen. Fire can spread in a matter of seconds. Did you know that most home fires start from everyday things like kitchen mishaps, overloaded outlets, or forgotten candles? Here's how you can protect your home and loved ones with a few simple steps. Step 1. Test smoke alarms monthly. Step 2. Never leave cooking unattended. Step 3. Keep flammable objects away from heat sources. Step 4. Have an emergency escape plan and practice it. In a fire emergency, every second counts. Having a plan could be the difference between life and tragedy. Make sure your home is fire safe and your family is fire prepared. At Klinger Insurance Group, we understand the importance of safeguarding your home and everything that matters to you. We're here to help you find the right coverage to protect your home against fire, accidents, and more. Don't wait until it's too late. Contact Klinger Insurance Group today at 301-428-4935 and ensure your home is protected. Klinger Insurance Group, protecting your home, securing your future.